back. Here we go. We got the rescue boat set up. We have the FPV going. We got the battery set up inside the Dominator. A bunch of birds in the water. We're going to try to scare them away. We're going to do some laps. See if we can't kill this 7600 pack without any issues. Oh, come on, birds. Oh, smoke on the water. What's smoking? What's smoking? What do we smoke? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the garage. So we got the Dominator here on the workbench, getting ready to do some work to it. We toasted the motor today because we ran this prop here. In a 4S setup, you're drawing a lot more current, a lot more amperage. All right. I did not realize that my microphone died, but here's our two choices. An 1800 kV 3660 rocket or a 2000 kV 3660 Leopard. I kind of want to go with the rocket, but I need to remove this water jacket because the seal is a little binded and it's not fully sealed with water. So I'm either going to do that, but I don't have my vise here. That's at the shop, so I kind of need to take this to the shop tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to run this, I think, because I do want to run some packs in order. That's kind of the nature of tuning boats, you know. Sometimes you win some, you lose some, and realistically, like I knew that this 2000 kV motor is not going to turn this prop right here. I knew it, but I did it anyways. Maybe I wanted a reason to swap motors. I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna swap motors tonight. We're going with this Leopard. We'll make it happen. See if she's turning in the right direction. All right, that's good. That's good. Try to get her back on the water tomorrow with a smaller propeller. I'm gonna try with I have the, obviously it runs great with the 4519. It's pretty dialed in to run that for an entire mile wide open throttle of ovals. But yeah, let's try some different props out. I haven't really messed with this boat too much ever since I dialed it in. So yeah, let's change things up. We'll see everybody back at the lake tomorrow. Thanks for tuning back in, and see you next time.